As summer approaches, those who want to cool off head to the nearest water park. But these family-friendly attractions are keeping some secrets beneath their brightly colored slides and splash pads. Here are a few secrets water parks don't want you to know. With around 85 million people hitting up North America's 1,300 water parks every year, the people who operate these hotspots want to keep their guests as safe as possible. But with so many visitors coming in and out, it's hard to keep everything clean. According to the Center for Disease Control and Prevention, 58% of the public pools they tested contained E. coli, a nasty bacteria that can wreak havoc on your immune system. E. coli isn't the only bacteria that can cause health issues, though. In 2013, a 12-year-old girl contracted a rare form of meningitis after visiting Willow Springs Water Park in Little Rock, Arkansas. Water slides look like a ton of fun, but according to a study published in the Journal of Emergency Medicine, these slides are responsible for an increase in tailbone injuries. Another study conducted by the New Jersey Department of Community Affairs found that you're twice as likely to get injured on a water slide than on a roller coaster. You're probably already a little freaked out by how harmful these attractions can be, but just wait, it gets worse. Chlorine is used as an effective way to disinfect public water spots, but sometimes the way the pool chemicals mix together can create a chlorine gas cloud. These clouds sent 26 people to the hospital after they ingested it at a Michigan water park. Swim diapers are designed to allow little ones who aren't potty trained to enjoy pools and splash pads. But the CDC says these products aren't entirely leak-proof. They added that the diapers can delay germs from leaking for a few minutes, but they don't actually keep the germs from contaminating the water. A water park employee hopped on Reddit to describe what they have uncovered in the drains. They wrote, "We pulled out innumerable weaves and fake nails." They also claim to have found mice, birds, band-aids, tampons, food, condoms, and trash in the drains. Gross. Which of these secrets about water parks shocked you the most? Leave your answer down below, and thanks for watching Real Facts.